Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial we're going to learn how to view LinkedIn profile in private mode on anonymously. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my LinkedIn. So here I'm on LinkedIn profile. First you have to log in with your LinkedIn and open your LinkedIn profile. Now just click on this me option down arrow and go to the settings and privacy. In setting and privacy you will see lots of options. So we are in order to check LinkedIn profile anonymously or private mode, so you have to go in the visibility option, and here you can see the two options. Just click on visibility on your LinkedIn activities, or okay, just click on visibility of your profile and network, and here you can see the profile viewing option. Just click on it and change, and here again the three option, your name and headlines. Okay, so you have to select out of three. So when you view any profile, okay, any profile, they will get the notification and they see your profile like this. Okay, in normal, general, in name and headlines, they will see your profile photo, name, and your all details. In private profile characteristic, they will also see your heading, your job heading, and in private mode they not see anything. They will see like anonymously LinkedIn, anonymous LinkedIn member. Okay, so if you want to view the LinkedIn profile secretly or private mode, so you have to select this private mode. Okay, so before you select this private mode, just read this note. Okay, so selecting private profile characteristics or private mode will be disabled who view your profile and erase your viewer history. Okay, so you can also not able to see the viewer profile, and it will be erase your viewer history, but still you can use these features in private mode, but you have to take the upgrade your account in premium. Okay, so just click on private mode and just close it, and it will be saved, and now you can check the LinkedIn profile in private mode. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.